Impulse. Impulse is defined as the effect of a force on a body which acts on it for a short interval of time. Impulse is equal to the product of force and the time interval. I is equal to F into T. If the momentum of a body gets changed from P1 to P2 in time t, then according to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to P2 minus P1 divided by t. Impulse is I is equal to P2 minus P1 divided by t into t. I is equal to P2 minus P1. I is equal to delta P. Impulse is also equal to the change in momentum of the body. It is a vector quantity and its direction is same as that of change in momentum.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.